Hi girls, I just realized there that you couldn't see the end of finding Tn, so I'm just going to do one or two more examples. So to find Tn, our general term, this is our formula from our logbooks. So formula for an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic means that you're adding or subtracting the same amount each time. So this one won't work for if you're multiplying or dividing, but if when you're adding a certain amount or taking away a certain amount, that's when we use it. So Tn, our general term, is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where a represents our first term in our sequence and d is our common difference. Okay, and the questions normally say find the nth term of the following, and they give you a pattern or a sequence. So here we have 2, 5, 8, 11. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what's the difference. So what's happening between here and here? So to get from 2 to 5 I can add 3, to get from 5 to 8 I can add 3, to get from 8 to 11 I can add 3. Okay, so here the first term of the sequence is 2 and my common difference is 3. Okay, so first term is 2, my common difference is 3. So then I'm going to fill in the formula from the logbooks. Okay, Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. So I know a is 2 and I know d is 3. So 2 plus, now this is a bracket, so it means multiply. So n by 3 is 3n and n by minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, so 2 take away 3 is minus 1. So I have 3n minus 1. So 2 take away 3 is minus 1. And that's my Tn, my general term. And what that means is I can find any term in the sequence now. I can find T100, I can find T4, I can find T1000. So let's just check. So if I do T4, which would be the next one, it's 3 times 4 minus 1, which is 11. Okay, and 11 is there. So we know that's the fourth one. So we know we're right. Okay, so it's sometimes useful to put in one you already have to make sure it's right. And then I can go off and find any term I want after that. Okay, so let me just do another one for you. So let's say we have 5, 9, 13, 17. So find Tn, or the nth term. Okay, so again we look and we see, okay, what do I do to get from 5 to 9? I add 4, next one is add 4, next one is add 4. So it's common difference of 4. So my a, my first term of the sequence, is 5. My d, my common difference, is 4. Okay, so my formula is Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. So Tn equals a is 5, d is 4. So then I multiply 4 by n, gives me 4n. I multiply 4 by minus 1, it gives me minus 4. 5 take away 4 leaves me with 1. So 1 plus 4n, or 4n plus 1. It doesn't matter which way you write it. So that's how to find Tn. So as I said, give the questions in exercise 10.3, questions 1 to 5 a go, and try and do as much of them as you can. And message me any problems and I'll go over them then for tomorrow's class. Okay, thanks girls.